Welcome to Science and Maths Ejumantra. Myself Jyoti Pokharkar from MES Boys High School Pune. Today we are going to learn 8th standard science topic Inside the Atom. So let's start. What is an atom? You see many different objects around you. Those objects are made of a particular substance or a matter. Every matter is made of small particles called as molecules, and molecules are made from more smallest particles called as atoms. Hence, atom is a smallest part of an element. Let's see the structure of an atom. Atom has nucleus at its center, and the part outside the nucleus is called as extranuclear part. Whole mass of an atom remains concentrated at its center. Particles in an atom. Atom contains three kinds of particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons. Protons are present in the center of an atom and they possess positive charge. Neutrons. Neutrons are also present in the center of an atom but they possess no charge. Means neutrons are electrically neutral. Electrons. Electrons revolve in circular orbit or shell around the center of an atom and they possess negative charge. Number of protons and number of electrons remains the same in an atom. Observe the given diagram. In this diagram, blue color particles represents proton, yellow color particles represents neutrons, and red color particles represents electrons. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, while electrons are revolving around the nucleus in various orbits. What is atomic number and atomic mass number? Atomic number. The number of protons in an atom is called as atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by capital letter Z. Atomic mass number. The number of protons and neutrons is together called as atomic mass number. Atomic mass number is denoted by capital letter A. Observe the given diagram. In this diagram, Z represents the atomic number, X represents the symbol of an element, and A represents the atomic mass number. This is the method to write the atomic number, atomic mass number with the symbol of an element. Orbits or shells and electronic configuration. As you know, electrons revolve in various orbits around the nucleus. But these orbits have particular capacities to occupy the electrons. So let's study the orbits and their capacities. The first orbit near the nucleus is called as K orbit or K shell. Second orbit is called as L shell. Third orbit is called as M shell. And fourth orbit is called as N shell. K shell can occupy maximum 2 electrons. L shell can occupy maximum 8 electrons. M shell can occupy maximum 18 electrons. And N shell can occupy maximum 32 electrons. If we know the atomic number, then we can count its electron number, from which we can draw the electronic configuration. Let's study the electronic configuration of few elements. Beryllium, atomic number is 4, means number of electron is also 4. So 2 electrons in first shell and remaining 2 electrons in second shell. Hence, the electronic configuration of beryllium becomes 2,2. Carbon, atomic number 6. So number of electrons is also 6. First shell will contain 2 electrons. Second shell will contain remaining 4 electrons. Means the electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4. So friends, today we studied about the atom, structure of atom and electronic configuration. Next part of this will be continued in next lecture. Thank you.